Hello, my name is Hesuna. I'm from Mongolia. So our company has job fair every day, and Monday, Wednesday, Friday it's 11 a.m. job fair, and after that the interview will be start 2 p.m. that day, and other days it's Tuesday and Saturday, Sunday it's 2 p.m. and after that also 5 p.m. we have interview. So this yellow ticket is that interview of ticket. That means you can choose one company from our job fair and you can interview that day. And that blue ticket is our first floor. We have a cafe, so you can take a lunch. It's of course it will be free. And I will explain the one of the job. So this is the location is Chiba, and timetable is in the morning it will be start 9 a.m. it will be till 6 p.m. in the evening, and salary will be this 300,030 yen, and daily conversation Japanese is okay. And if you can speak in English, it will be more than good. So if you want to know more information about other jobs or visa support, please visit our company contact, and this is the phone number. So if you want to know more information, please contact this phone number. Thank you so much.